Bro, Kevin has the worst driveway ever, bro. Hello, buddy. Bro, you look good, bro. You lost weight.
45 pounds.
45?
Yeah.
Bro, you look great, bro. Thank you for helping me.
Of course.
You haven't even seen the wheel. I'm not gonna show you yet. It's a surprise. Okay. Kevin's about to see the wheel. Kevin, bro. I got a surprise for you, bro. I need your honest opinion. I gotta explain it to you though when you see it. Kevin has no idea. No one's seen this wheel. Let me turn this music off. Copyright. No one's seen this wheel, bro. So it's gonna be funny getting his reaction to it. When you see his car and then you see this wheel, you'll understand his reaction. Like, I'm gonna let you grab it.
All right.
It's in the passenger seat. Yeah.
How far with it?
Look at it.
Wait.
Do you like it?
I do.
What's wrong with it?
What? It's missing. It's missing. Wait.
Like the stitching.
Don't tell me you would.
All right, Kevin. Look.
You stitched this up.
Look, bro, look. I wanted an Alcantara wheel, right?
Yeah.
But then I was like, I saw they had a kit that you could make to stitch it on. So I bought the kit. I bought the kit, yeah, bro. No, look, I know the wheel is boof. I know the wheel is super boof. But I'm gonna buy a CS wheel though. They're only like 400. They're not expensive. But I thought it would be funny and cool to do for a YouTube video to like make this and then put it in. It's trash, I know, but it's not gonna be in for long. So I'm letting you know now we are gonna be putting in the CS wheel in like a couple weeks from now.
Alright, that's fine.
But bro, you didn't even notice like all of it. Did you notice it and just not want to say anything?
I'm like 4 hours of sleep.
Oh, I thought you were trying to be nice.
No, bro, I got home at 4 in the morning. Woke up like at really 5 hours.
What were you doing last night?
I was at the club.
You was with JD?
Uh-huh.
Bro, JD, bro, I seen him. All right, so Kevin is helping me today. Helping me. Right now he's disconnecting the battery because we're going to swap over the Temu steering wheel. But I got to show you guys his car, bro. You guys have probably seen this car on Instagram, but it is ridiculous, bro. He has a diffuser I want, the trunk I want. He has literally everything I want. the TEs, which he already had. I think he had RS2s on here before, or maybe LMRs. Kev, what BBSs did you have? What BBSs did you have on the car before?
I had FIRs and I still got the LMRs.
FIRs, LMRs, TEs. I mean, this nigga's just rich. Just look at him.
I wish I was.
You wish you were. This nigga's rich, bro. Ain't you got like 20,000 miles on this car? Carbon hood. His lip just recently broke, so don't mind that. He has to get new ones. Of course, the LCI headlights. The TEs, he just took his LMR BBSs off. After he sold the BBS FIRs he had, and then he put the T's on. It's manual and single turbo, bro. Single turbo. Let me see if the door's open. Oh, it's open. Look at this, bro.
X-band.
Red interior, bro.
K-band. K-A-band.
Manual.
Laser.
Steering wheel.
GPS connected.
The robot. And it has the holes in the seat, bro. Bro, this is literally rich spec. And let me just show y'all, bro. Carbon back. Like, this thing is ridiculous, bro. This thing is literally ridiculous. Kevin, you can make a whole YouTube channel of this car, bro. Bro, you can make an entire YouTube channel off this car and it would go. Look at this, bro. Let me turn the flash on so y'all can see it, bro. This man has the steering wheel column in carbon fiber, bro. Who do you know that has this? Like, what, bro? You literally don't know anyone. Carbon inserts. I have these two on mine. This thing is mint, bro. Carbon Rubik's Cube. Yo, this guy. Who does this guy think he is, bro? And like I said, it's single turbo. It's like, literally has the best of all worlds in this car, bro. This car is literally perfect. Perfect, bro. All right, so we got the battery disconnected in the back. Kevin's taking apart the steering wheel right now, so we can swap everything over. But come along, bro. Temu steering wheel loading. Mr. Kev got the wheel off. And we got the Temu steering wheel here, and we got the old carbon fiber Goodwill here. I need this in carbon though. I've been needing this in carbon for the longest, but this is the old wheel. This is the new Temu wheel. So we're gonna get this assembled and then throw it in the car and see how it feels. But I think I'm gonna like this a lot more than the carbon though. I don't know, I just wanted something new, and I like the way this feels in my hand. It feels good and thick and
just thick. What do you mean by that?
out with the old, in with the new, almost. I have a feeling I'm definitely gonna like the Alcantara more though, for sure. Like, I love this wheel, don't get me wrong. It was great, but I think I'm definitely gonna like that. It's just, it looks great. It feels good in my hand. We're almost done assembling it here. Well, Kevin's almost done assembling it here. Then we'll put it back in the car, and hopefully the airbag doesn't blow up when we turn the car on. So we'll see, man. All right, we are locked in and ready to go, bro. So Kevin did all the hard work. Thank you. Got the Alcantara Temu steering wheel in. Now we're about to bolt it down, turn the car on. Hopefully it doesn't blow.
Wow, what kind of face someone had?
I hope not. I convinced you, bro?
You might have.
Are you gonna get one?
Maybe.
I'm telling you, bro, that's all you need, bro. There's not much more you could do with the car. So now at this point, like, you're just kind of adding additional things, that just swapping and trying out things. Like, I told Kevin he has to get the PSM side skirt, the carbon, the Alcantara wheel. Like, it's not much more you can do, bro. Maybe wrap the car, but I don't know. That car is perfect. The spec and everything. Good attention. Buckhead Warrior.
Oh, that's y'all.
Buckhead Warrior, bro. Will moment of truth. He's connecting the battery. I hear the power. The wheel hasn't exploded. That's a good thing. W Kevin, man. W Kevin. W Kevin for always helping me. He helped me put the last steering wheel on, and he helped me put this one on. And then he's gonna help me put the actual CS wheel on. So, W Kev, bro. W King Kev, man. You gonna do the honors?
All right, I gotta do the honors.
You took it apart. You gotta do it, bro. Didn't explode. That's what I like to see. Love to see it. Dang, bro. W Kev. Damn, it smells like gas back here. Oh my god, that exhaust. Listen, bro. W Kev, bro. W Kev. He helped me install the Temu CS steering wheel, and I love it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely getting the real one. I definitely getting the real one, bro. I wanted to put this in just to feel what it was like to drive it with the actual CS wheel, and 100% I have to get one. I like this so much more than the other one. Well, I don't know. I don't want to say so much more, but I like it more. I do like it more. It feels better. It's softer. It's so comfortable, bro. I love it. I don't know why I haven't done this already. I don't know what took me so long to do it in the first place, but no, I definitely like it a lot. Like I said, we will be getting a new one. This one, although you guys saw all the imperfections on it, it doesn't look terrible on the car as is. Like, if you're looking at it just straight up like this, you can't even see all the defects until you start to zoom in and you can see everything. But besides that, like, if you don't have a super critical eye, it doesn't look crazy. Although I know it's crazy, I'm going to get the right one, but it'll do in the meantime. Like, it's giving me a perspective of exactly what it's going to be like to have one, and I love it. I love it. 10 out of 10. So we will 100% be getting the actual CS wheel. But for now, we'll rock this until I order it, which probably be soon, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I might go home and order it right now, actually, but I really like this. 10 out of 10. I'm so happy with it. So that's my review, guys. My Temu steering wheel. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Something cool. Like I said, I initially ordered this as a joke anyway. I ordered it and I knew I was gonna get a CS wheel anyway, but like, why not, bro? Like, why not? It was $80. Something fun to do. I enjoy the process of actually sitting down and having to make it, actually putting it in with Kev just now. Like, I enjoyed that process so much. So to me, it was worth $80 because I have fun doing it. I'm not gonna keep it. I'll get a CS wheel, but it was fun to do, so why not? But like always, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Let me know the feedback down below, what you guys think of the Temu CS steering wheel. It's not even from Temu, I just classified it as that, but let me know what you guys think, bro. Let me know in the comments below. Like always, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching the videos. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, consider liking the video if you like it. You know, just Give me some feedback too. Tap in with me. I like talking to y'all in the comments. And bro, y'all they cool with me, bro. Y'all cool by me, bro. That's what I'm saying. So, like always, God bless you guys. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys in the next video, bro. Peace.